Okay. Now with the problem of the day question. Let's see. 1356 sort integers by the number on of bits. Easy level problem है. Okay. You are given an integer array. Sort the integer in the array in ascending order by the number of ones in the binary representation. In case of two or more integers have the same number of ones, you sort them in ascending order. You done the after the sorting it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 1s in the binary, right? After, so he will say 0 is the only integer with 0 bits. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8 all have 1 bit. 3, 5, 6 has 2 bits and 7 has 3 bit. Okay. And 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 8, 6, 4, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. They all are sorted in ascending order, which they have like according to the bits, right? Array length 500. Like how can we do, how we will approach is right. There is bit topics bit manipulation या another इसमें. कंस्टेंटली यार इतना ज़्यादा भी बड़ा नहीं है. So like let's take comment. So we have to do like sort a list of integers based on some rules like ascending order based on count of ones in their binary representation, right? And if there is a tie, sort in ascending numerical order. What he says the question. So like what I think like is like to use like built-in sorting function, right? Uh, any sorting algorithm we can use. So use a comparator to specify, right, of sorting that we want, right? So if you say like how to specify the comparator, so like we have to make a comparator class or function, right? And then we count number of one bits when comparing two integers, and then compare them based on number of one bits. And if number one of bits is equal, then compare them based on numerical order, right? Now the question is how to count the number of one bits in any integer, right? So we have a various ways to do, but we will like like I have to do two approaches, whether we use built-in function based, right, or using Brian Kringham algorithms. तो वो जो है बिल्ट इन फंक्शन का तो सबको पता ही है क्योंकि वो बेसिक लैंग्वेज में जावा, आई एम इन जावा, सो जावा का है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी, अप्रोच लिख देते हैं. So we have to define a custom comparison फंक्शन कर देते हैं, फंक्शन कंपेयर कर देते हैं, राइट? That takes two integer a and b, right? And then inside a compare function, we have to count the number of set bits in the binary representation of a and b using the built-in function, right? And then we sort the element of the array using compare function and return the sorted vector. So we have to firstly to convert, one second, we have to convert the input integer array to the integer objects for sorting. So integer, right, integer array equals to arrays not string to array. And now what we can do is कन्वर्ट कर दे फॉर सॉर्टिंग के लिए। अब हमें कंपेरेटर का करना पड़ेगा, राइट। How can we do it? After we like create a what we do custom comparator, right? To sort by bit count and then numerical, right? Okay. Now we can do short sort the array using two which can use a comparator. So we have to do arrays dot sort integer array. Now what we can do? So now like हमने कन्वर्ट तो कर दिया, so we have to convert sorted array back to which primitive integers. Convert sorted array. Then return कर देते हैं sorted array का. This is what we will sort it, right? अब हमें bit count comparator का करना होगा. This will done. And commands comparator override कर देते हैं. Override में that's we do to public compare, right? दो A B ले लेते हैं. A integer B right? And now we can compare based on the count of set bits of one as the like binary representation, right? So let's see in bit we have to omit integer dot bit count b, right? एंड नाउ अब हमें करना है कि अगर बिट काउंट सेम है तो हमें कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? लेट्स सी इफ बिट्स bit count a bit count b, right? Then return a minus b, right? And now we have to do like sort the number of set bit in ascending order. So return bit count a, count b. Let's say I think my approach is so shit. Hmm. Let's see. आया तो हम एरर आ गया लाइन 4 में ही है यार। लाइन 4 का सॉल्व करो यार। लाइन 8 में 10 में भी है। वो कहाँ पर स्टिकर रखी है मैंने यार। दो रह गया 27 और 29। क्लास बैंड कंपरेटर एग्रीमेंट्स हैं। अभी मैंने टीचर में स्पेलिंग गलत कर दिया। सारी जगह यार इंटीजर गलत था। 30 on detailing them detail. Not submitted. Not accepted, right?